Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the film overlay effect using transition in CapCut PC. So select your images you want to edit, and for instance I'm going to select my images and set the image duration in 1.0 second and go to transition, and you can find the film overlay. Just click on this icon. Alright, you can change for the duration right here, and I'm going to apply to all the clip for this transition. You can see. Alright, okay. You can also add effect and add audio, text, sticker, and anything you like to edit. Right, but this transition effect is pro effect. You can join proppers to be able to use this effect. Right, I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much.